Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to flip cards in Anki. So let's get straight into it. Now in the deck select this here. So I will select this card here. Now what I need to do next is head over here to the browse at the top, click on it, and okay, I will click here on one card and then Ctrl A to select all of them. What I need to do now is head over here to the top menu and select Notes, click on it, and then find Change Note Type. Click on that. Alright, now in the new note type, here at the top, select Basic and Reverse Card, like that. And click OK or Save, and now Anki will now generate the reverse version for every card you have selected. All right. If you don't want two cards, but you accidentally put the answer to the front and the question on the back, you can swap them basically. So here you can also do this, go back to the notes and then change note type. And now here in the field, what you can do is keep the type the same, but in the field mapping section, change like front to back. And we can go, back, front, and front, back, like that. And also click save. And this is pretty much it. These physical swaps the content of the fields. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.